Dogs need to walk up to 15 kilometers every day to stay healthy. Take your best friend for a walk on a Flexi Retractable Leash and give your dog the freedom to be a dog. Flexi Retractable Leashes are safe and easy to use. They include a safety collar that should always be used in addition to your dog's collar. To attach the leash, place one of the rings of the safety collar in the snap hook of the leash. Place the safety collar around your dog's neck in addition to your dog's collar. Attach the leash hook to the D-ring of your dog's collar and the second ring of the safety collar. The safety collar is designed to prevent snapback if your dog's collar breaks or if the leash disconnects from your dog's collar. Hold the leash by the handle. The cord, tape, or belt will automatically adjust with the movement of your dog, giving him more freedom of movement. To bring your dog closer, extend your arm forward and press the brake button down. Step toward your dog and at the same time, bring your arm to your side. Release the brake button and swing your arm toward the dog and press the brake button again. Repeat this process until your dog is at the desired distance. Do not grab or hold the cord, tape, belt at any time. You could injure yourself. To temporarily stop the leash from extending further, simply press and hold down the brake button with your thumb. To keep your dog at heel with the leash fully retracted, press the brake button with your thumb and push the brake lock forward to hold the leash in place. To release the brake, draw back the brake lock to its original position. Give your dog the freedom to stay healthy. Flexi, freedom on the leash.